Hi, John here with Arbor Wood. I'm here today to talk about our range of thermally modified wood decking products. We'll talk about durability and performance, species, finishes, and even touch a bit on installation and maintenance recommendations. Let's go. Like with all other Arbor Wood products, our decking has gone through our thermal modification process. Thermal modification is a chemical-free, high-heat process that changes wood at the cellular level for long-term durability and stability. What you should expect is better resistance to things like mold and rot and fungal decay, and increased dimensional stability, making it less susceptible to thermal expansion and contraction, as well as an enhanced appearance. We produce our decking in two wood species: North American white ash, which is a hardwood, high durability and hardness ratings, and southern yellow pine being our softwood option. Both of these wood species are sourced from responsibly managed forests right here in the United States, and we consider these decking options to be great alternatives to more traditional products, including composite decking, pressure-treated decking, and even exotics. Our decking is produced in a range of profile and size options. Our ash is offered in both a 3/4 inch thick and a full 1 inch thick plank in sizes at 3.5 and 5.5 inches. Our pine is produced in a 1 inch thick plank at 5.25 inch face dimension. All of our decking sizes are available in two different profiles, one being a traditional eased edge for face fastening through the top of each board, or milled with a channel along the side to receive the Deckwise Extreme KD hidden clip system, which creates 1/4 inch spacing between deck boards and a nice stealth installation. If left unfinished, Arbor Wood decking will develop a lovely silver patina over time. Preserving the original tone would require the application of a UV inhibitor such as our recommended Q-Tech Extreme. We suggest following the manufacturer's recommendations by applying Q-Tech to both sides of each board prior to installation, with a second coat on the exposed surface after installation. Maintaining tone with Q-Tech Extreme would require ongoing seasonal maintenance every 1 to 3 years or as needed. Well, that's a brief overview of Arbor Wood's line of thermally modified wood decking. For more information, including technical resources, installation guidelines, and even to request some physical samples, check us out at arborwoodco.com. Thanks for watching.